How to recover deleted photos and videos on your Android device. Full guide. Accidentally deleted a previous photo or video on your Android? Do not panic. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to recover deleted photos and videos on your Android device. First, check your recently deleted folder in the Google Photos app. To do this, open Google Photos, tap on Library at the bottom and then select Trash. If you see your photo or video here, just select it and tap Restore. This works for items deleted within the last 30 days. If it has been longer or you are not using Google Photos, try a third-party recovery app like Disk Digger or Dumpster. These apps can often recover media that's been deleted for a longer period. And that's it. You know how to recover your deleted photos and videos. If this guide helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more Android troubleshooting tips. And feel free to ask for any help in the comment section.